Are you unable to find hand sanitizer in stores due to increasing coronavirus panic? Despite shortages, you can make your own germ-killing gel in just a few simple steps. You'll be putting hand sanitizer companies out of business. This video demonstrates how to make hand sanitizer. It uses the formula provided by the World Health Organization. This formula kills germs. It's gentle on hands and rinse-free. I'll be putting a link to the ingredients used below. I'll also add a link to my favorite hand sanitizer. There are 4 ingredients: isopropyl alcohol greater than 99%, hydrogen peroxide 3%, glycerine, and distilled water. You will also need a teaspoon, a 500 milliliter measuring jug, and travel-sized spray bottles. Pour 250 milliliters of isopropyl alcohol into a measuring jug. Add 3 teaspoons of hydrogen peroxide. Add 1 teaspoon of glycerine. Fill the measuring jug with distilled water until it reaches 330 milliliters. Boiled water, subsequently allowed to cool, can be substituted for distilled water. Stir. Distribute into spray bottles. The final concentration of alcohol is 75%. Please find links to the ingredients in the description below. I also added a link to my favorite hand sanitizer. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. See you soon.